like magic, be like fire.
All-weather gadgets are more than just tools. They're your steadfast allies, built to brave every storm and conquer every challenge. Rain, shine, or snow, these durable devices are designed to perform no matter what the forecast says. Let's explore the best gear that can withstand anything. All the mentioned product links are in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 15. Underwater Drone. Built to explore beneath the surface, this underwater gadget captures high-quality video and photos even in deep or murky waters. Its rugged waterproof body handles strong currents and cold temperatures with ease. Equipped with powerful propellers and a stable camera system, it moves smoothly and stays balanced for clear shots. Controlled remotely through an app, it's ideal for ocean dives, lake research, or underwater inspections. Strong, reliable, and ready for any condition, it performs in both calm and rough aquatic environments. Number 14. Goal Zero Nomad 10 Solar Panel. Foldable 10-watt monocrystalline solar panel with built-in USB port, perfect for charging small devices on the go. Weighs just 1.2 pounds and easily fits in a backpack. Features a 180-degree adjustable kickstand for easy setup and positioning. Designed by a US-based team with decades of solar expertise. Backed by a 1-year warranty with responsive customer support for added peace of mind. Number 13. Gemini Floating Bluetooth Speaker. This rugged floating Bluetooth speaker delivers clear sound with deep bass, perfect for outdoor use by the pool or beach. It's waterproof, dustproof, and floats in water, with a battery lasting up to 24 hours. It connects easily via Bluetooth, and multiple speakers can sync for bigger sound and LED lights. With built-in cup holders, a bottle opener, and inputs for microphone and guitar, it's ideal for parties, karaoke, and outdoor adventures. Its sturdy design makes it easy to carry and tough for any environment. Number 12. Weatherproof Action Cameras. Waterproof action cameras are rugged devices designed to capture high-quality videos and photos in tough conditions. They are water, dust, and shock-resistant, often usable underwater. Many offer 4K or higher resolution with image stabilization for smooth footage. Easy to mount on helmets or gear, they're perfect for activities like surfing, skiing, and biking. With long battery life, wireless sharing, and touchscreen controls, these cameras are built to capture every adventure in vivid detail, even in extreme environments. Number 11. Rugged Portable Hard Drives. Rugged portable hard drives are durable storage devices designed to protect data in tough conditions. With shock-resistant cases, many are water-resistant and dust-proof. They connect via USB or Thunderbolt for fast file transfers and come in various storage sizes. Some offer built-in cable storage and security features like password protection. Perfect for travelers, photographers, and field workers. These drives keep files safe in challenging environments and are easy to carry in bags or pockets for on-the-go use. Number 10. Tactical Flashlights. Tactical flashlights are durable lights designed for tough use in law enforcement, military, and outdoor activities. Made with strong metal bodies, they resist water, shocks, and corrosion. With beams over 1,000 lumens and multiple modes, like strobe and SOS, they offer versatile lighting. Features include strike bezels for self-defense and easy control with gloves. Powered by rechargeable or standard batteries, they are compact, lightweight, and reliable in extreme conditions, making them ideal for emergencies, survival, or everyday carry. Number 9. All-Weather Smart Garden Sensors. All-weather smart garden sensors track plant conditions like soil moisture, sunlight, temperature, and humidity. Built in waterproof casings, they are solar-powered or battery-operated with minimal upkeep. These compact tools send real-time data to mobile apps via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, offering insights on plant needs. Many models connect to smart irrigation systems for automated watering. Easy to place in soil or pots, they help grow healthy plants, reduce waste, and improve yields for gardeners in any outdoor condition. Number 8. Windproof electric lighters. Windproof electric lighters use a rechargeable battery to create a flameless arc or heated coil, making them reliable in wind or rain. Safer and more eco-friendly than traditional lighters, they charge via USB-C in 1 to 2 hours and provide over 100 uses per charge. Some models feature flexible necks, safety locks, LED indicators, and built-in flashlights. Compact, durable, and water-resistant, they're ideal for lighting candles, stoves, or campfires during outdoor adventures, offering repeated use without refills. Number 7. Rugged smartphones. These smartphones are designed for tough conditions with strong, shock-absorbing bodies that resist drops, water, dust, and extreme temperatures. They meet military-grade standards and feature scratch-resistant screens, long-lasting batteries, and outdoor visibility. Some models include push-to-talk buttons, dual SIMs, and sensors for heat and altitude, making them ideal for outdoor adventures and work environments. With durability and smart features, these phones are reliable and built to last. Number 6. Insulated Tent. Built for year-round use, the insulated tent keeps you warm in the cold and cool in the heat. Its multi-layered fabric traps warmth while allowing airflow, creating a stable interior climate. The sturdy frame holds strong against wind, rain, and snow, while the waterproof flooring keeps the inside dry. Easy to set up and compact to carry, it suits campers, explorers, and survivalists who need comfort and protection in all environments, from mountain snowfields to desert heat. Number 5. Outdoor Survival Multi-Tools. Survival multi-tools are compact, foldable devices with essential functions like pliers, knives, saws, and screwdrivers. Made from durable, rust-resistant metals, some include fire starters, emergency whistles, and fishing hooks. Each tool locks safely into place, with textured handles for a firm grip. Compact and lightweight, they fit easily into pockets or backpacks. Ideal for tasks like cutting rope, building shelter, or starting a fire. These rugged tools are perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency situations. Number 4. Dustproof Outdoor Power Strips. Dustproof outdoor power strips provide safe, reliable electricity in tough environments with IP54 to IP67 ratings. They feature sealed outlets, protective covers, and durable ABS or rubberized housings to resist dust, moisture, and impacts. With multiple outlets and USB ports, they offer surge protection and GFCI for safety. Covered sockets twist shut to keep debris out, and heavy-duty cords resist wear. Ideal for tools, garden equipment, and job sites, these power strips ensure dependable energy access in outdoor or dusty spaces. Number 3. Heavy-duty waterproof backpacks. Heavy-duty waterproof backpacks are designed to keep gear dry in tough conditions like rain, rivers, or snow. Made from rugged materials like PVC-coated polyester, they feature welded seams and roll-top closures for water resistance. With IP67 or IPX7 ratings, they withstand short submersions. Reinforced straps, padded back panels, and waist belts ensure comfort, while multiple compartments and exterior lash points help organize gear. Ideal for hiking, kayaking, and camping, these backpacks offer durability, comfort, and weatherproofing for any adventure. Number 2. Waterproof Camping Power Stations. Waterproof camping power stations with high IP ratings like IP65 or IP67 provide reliable electricity in rain, dust, and rough terrain. Featuring sealed ports and rugged casings, they power devices like phones, lights, and fridges through AC sockets, USB ports, and 12-volt outputs. Many models support solar recharging and include displays for battery levels. With safety protections, built-in LED lights, and stable, non-slip bases, these lightweight yet durable units offer off-grid energy for outdoor adventures in any weather. Number 1. All-terrain e-scooters. One designed for outdoor versatility, these electric scooters handle rough trails, gravel, and city streets with ease. Large, knobby tires provide strong grip on uneven surfaces, while dual motors enable fast acceleration and hill climbing. With durable suspension systems, long battery life, up to 80 kilometers, and hydraulic or disc brakes, they ensure comfort and safety. Water and dust-resistant frames, foldable stems for portability, and onboard displays offer additional convenience. Ideal for commuters and adventurers, these scooters deliver power, comfort, and stability on any terrain. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.